Did you file an extension? If so, October 15th is your deadline. Not sure what an extension is? I can help with that. Hi, I'm John Thompson, an enrolled agent and owner of JCT Tax Solutions. Today we're breaking down extensions, what they are, what they aren't, and why October 15th matters. A tax extension gives you extra time to file your return. For most individual returns, it extends your filing deadline by 6 months, from April 15th to October 15th. Here's what people miss. An extension gives you more time to file, it does not give you more time to pay. Your payment is still due by the original April 15th deadline. You get an extension by filing Form 4868 by April 15th. It's a pretty simple form, there's not much to it. It's who you are and an estimate of what you owe. You can file electronically or on paper, and you can even just log into the IRS payment portal and make a payment in there. It'll automatically tack the extension onto your account. You don't even need to come up with a good reason. The IRS grants extensions automatically. If you generally owe money with your tax return or you think you'll owe money this year, you should usually file a payment along with the extension. This reduces penalties and the interest that start accruing on April 15th. Estimate what you owe and pay what you can. If you filed an extension, October 15th is when your extension expires. The extension protects you from failure to file penalties from April to October, but file after October 15th and those penalties kick back in. That's 5% of unpaid taxes per month, up to 25%. And that's on top of interest and other late payment penalties that have been accruing since April. If you don't owe any money, there's no penalty. If you didn't file an extension back in April and you still haven't filed your tax return yet, you're already facing failure to file penalties. File as soon as possible to stop those from growing. Every month you wait adds another 5% penalty. Even if you can't pay right now, it's better to file your tax return and then send in your payment later, so at least you stop the failure to file penalty from continuing to build. Many people think extensions are suspicious or trigger audits. That's not true. Millions of taxpayers file extensions every year for perfectly legitimate reasons. Missing documents, complex returns, or just needing more time to get it right. Some people even file an extension every year just in case, which can come in handy if you tend to file right pretty close to the deadline. There are some automatic extensions too. If you're living abroad, you get an automatic 2-month extension to file your tax return. Military personnel in a combat zone automatically get an even longer extension. And that's Extensions Explained. So if you did file an extension, October 15th is your day, make sure you get that tax return filed. Hit like if this helped and comment if you have extension questions.